However, as we know, it's also any place on the list. However, as we know, it's also the least affordable, and its hiring rate for likely new graduates is just above the median.
Somebody say something. Anybody? Please.
Above the median. Well, if you are getting ready to hit the road...
Oh, come on, not again.
Well, if you are getting ready to hit the road today, get ready for a lot of company as people come back home from this long holiday weekend. We're going to tell you when those roads are expected to be the busiest and what the CHP is saying about the number of officers who will be watching those roads.
Get somebody, get her a cough drop.